Okay, so I'm just going to go over how you want to copy sections or files from one notebook and move it into another. So I'm in our social studies master under teacher only. I have our 5th grade review, and I already put these 5 in here. There will be some ed puzzles and forms that I would have to share the links with you. Now I just tried to do a different screencast-o-matic video, and I moved virtual geography in here, but by accident I deleted that, so I'm just going to remove it in here, or I will remove a different section. So anyway, so social studies master, I want to move a section, copy it into here. So I go back, click on any of your teams. I'm just going to click on this team, and I go to my class notebook. At the top, you have to press File, Open an App. Now yours will just open up, but I already have the app open, so I'm just going to click on the app. And this is a social studies team that I want to copy a section from and move it to our social studies master. So if I'm going to click on, let's say, fifth grade review, but I'll do the first one because I already have a different. So anyway, this section is what I want to move into our social studies master. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click it, or if you're on a Mac, you press Control and click, and you are going to press copy section 2. You are not going to put move section 2 because that will automatically delete it from here, and I don't want it deleted from this notebook. So we're going to press copy section 2. Then on here, you're going to scroll down and find the notebook, which for us, it's going to be our social studies master. It's all the way down, or it's called social studies meeting team notebook. But I'm going to go back a step because you probably won't have yours pop up here. If it doesn't, this is why. You have to press this little drop down button, and you have to make sure that your social studies meeting team notebook is in here, is on this list. If it is not, you have to press add notebook, and it will be in here. So you would click on it and press open. I'm going to cancel for a minute because I already have it on my list. But that happened to me, so I wanted to make sure that you guys are aware of that. So now go through that. Once yours is on this list, then you can go ahead. Right click or control click, copy section 2. You would go down all the way till you find our team meeting notebook. So many notebooks. Okay, social studies team meeting notebook, and you want to move it into the teacher only. Copy. Now it's going to take a minute because it's copying this section that I have in this notebook and moving it over to our social studies master notebook. So now if I go back to Teams, because right now we're in the app, and I go back to our social studies master class notebook, teacher only, it will be right here. This is the section I just moved over. And that's how you move a section, we'll copy it, not move, from one to the other. And then if you're in here, and this is where we're going to plan, then you would do the same thing. You would file, open an app, and this notebook will pop open in your OneNote app right here. And if you want to move this into maybe one of your social studies periods, you would do the same thing. You would just right click or control click, copy section 2, and you can copy it to any of your social studies teams. You just click on it and go through the same process. So if that was confusing, I'm sorry, let me know and I can redo the video.